The little gear has 7 teeth on it, and this one's got 53. So there's gonna be a lot of just getting the teeth done in this. We're halfway. It's gonna take a long time. Oh, finally. I'm scared that I'm gonna do all this and then when I get there it's not gonna work, and I don't want to waste my time filing all 53 of these teeth. So it's honestly such a huge relief that this works. I was scared when I was making these gears that I would go to all this effort and it would be for nothing.